It's JSD
Yeah.
with another banger.
Hey gang, y'all ready? If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
If you great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah. What's good, PB? Gang, is your boy Poppyblasted coming at y'all with another banger, man. Hey, man. First, before I start the video, make sure you guys smash the like button, man. Hit the notification bell so that way you will not miss out on none of the videos we drop soon. You feel me? Soon. Cause you know I've been dropping them, man. I've been dropping them, bro. Y'all know I'm a busy man, but I've been dropping them. You feel me? Anyways, man, make sure you also subscribe to the channel, man. If you're new to it in, man, join the gang right now, man. Join the gang. Also, PB Gang, tap in right now. Right now, comment below, man. Tap in with your boy, man. PB Gang, we are here, bro. Anyways, man, just came back from the barbershop. Just got a shape up. I know y'all saw it looking real clean, man. Twisted Barber did his thing, man. I'm loving it. It's looking good, man. I can't even front. You know what I'm saying? It's looking good. Yeah, feel me? But I figure why not do this video right here, man. What you should do after a haircut, a shape up, whatever. This is what I do. I washed yesterday, right? Actually, I didn't wash yesterday. I'm tripping. I washed this morning. I washed this morning. I washed this style this morning. Of course, but nothing other but this. You know what I'm saying? Legendary tie-dye bar. I washed with this. You know what I mean? The best bar that you can get, man. Case and all that. You know what I'm saying? You got your bar, you got your case. I washed with this shampoo bar. All right. I washed with that, and then after that, went to go get a haircut. You know what I'm saying? Shape up, not a haircut, cause y'all know I'm not even woofing yet. I got a haircut probably about three weeks ago. So we're about to start getting woofing stages soon. So I got a shape up. You know what I'm saying? And now we here. This is what I do, my routine, right? After the shape up, after the haircut or whatever, right? I still don't have any products in my hair. Nothing's in my hair right now. No products, nothing. I'm not gonna put products in my hair until the next day. That's just what I do after my fresh cut. You know what I'm saying? After my shape up or whatever. They both same thing to me. You know what I'm saying? If I was a haircut, if I got a haircut, if I touched my waves and got a haircut, I'll do the same thing I'm doing now, which was a shape up. So I don't put nothing in my hair, right? Nothing. You know what I'm saying? So all I do is this. I just unragged. Right before I turned on the camera, I pressed record, I took off my do-rag. Alright, so this is how my hair look, taking off the do-rag with no products in my hair after washing style, shape up, voila. You know what I'm saying? This is how we looking. This is what I do after that. I get the soft brush, right? Where my soft brush at? Damn, I love my soft brush, man. It's in my bag. Hold on. Alright, y'all have to pull a fresh one out of here, man. Collector's edition. Y'all didn't know about this when y'all sleep. Hard medium soft brush, man. Beautiful merch. Flawless brush. You know what I'm saying? Nothing but that good quality, bro. Ain't nobody else doing it like this, man. Y'all sleep if I ain't got it, man. You know what I'm saying? Softy, you pull it out of here. You feel me? Just pulled it out of there right now. It's a brand new one. So, y'all get to, you know, experience it when it's brand new. You know how the bristles, though. You know how the bristles just get in your hair when it's brand new. This is what I do. Whew. It's about to get out of my hair. You know how I do it, you know, when you get a fresh brush. I don't like the brushes in my hair, really. So, this is what I do when I first get a brush. Instead of like it coming out on my hair, it's coming out on my hands. The brush should be shedding. But anyways, look like that. Boom. Anyways, so I pull out the soft brush, right? Soft brush. Always remember when you pull out that soft brush, after a fresh shape up, your lineup is gonna be tender. This part, all right here, is gonna be tender. You see it? It's gonna be tender, bro. All your hairline. You know what I mean? Because for me, I got sensitive skin, but I'm pretty sure for a lot of other people too. I just recommend, basically, don't come down to your hairline when you're brushing. All right? Don't come down to your hairline when you're brushing. Okay? Don't. Because it will irritate your hairline, then you will have a whole, this butcher lineup, bro. What I mean by butcher is you're just gonna seem like that's just a whole line, just like scab, like lineup. You don't want that. You don't want a scab lineup, bro. You don't want it. Okay? You do not want it, trust me. All right? So, get your brush. You know, when you brushing, you come down, right? You come down to your hairline. Don't pass it, you feel me? This is important. This is what I do, okay? After I get a fresh cut. I don't even brush my hair right away, okay? This is what I do. So I'm not gonna brush my hair because I don't do it. But I just want to show you an example of how, you know, what you should do when you get a fresh cut. Also, when you get a new brush from mine. Any brush though, it's gonna shed, so that's why I'm doing that to get it off. Even if I'm not touching it with my head, doesn't matter. But come down right from the crown. You do your regular brush session. Just come to right here, bruh. Don't come past the hairline because a lot of people tend to do that. You come in. You notice when you see somebody who have a dark spot right here, it's from coming from the crown, coming down, you brushing past your hairline, right? And you just irritating all your skin right here. So it's just over time doing that. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, all elite wavers had that because I had it before. I had to learn, you know what I mean? It's all a learned experience. So you going, you coming, you gonna keep on, you know, your skin is gonna keep on, you just get irritated because the bristles are gonna keep on hitting past the hairline onto your skin. So eventually you're gonna have a dark spot right there. So you might be killing, your waves look nice and all that, but at the same time, you want everything to be, your appearance to be nice and all that. You don't want no lines in your hair. You don't want none of that. You know what I'm saying? I used to didn't care back in the days. I was so much of a waver. I didn't care. I used to just brush it past my hairline. I used to just didn't care about lines and my do-rag line. I didn't care about none of that shit. But now I care more because I'm older. I just want my appearance to look right. I want my waves, I want my face, I want my skincare. I want all that to look right. You know what I'm saying? So, same thing that goes on this side. You come down, boom. You come down right here. Don't go past. Don't keep going because you're going to irritate your hairline. Boom, 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 boom. Nothing long. This video is not going to be long. It's a short video. Nothing long. That's all I do, bro. That's all I do. That. And then after that, that's what I do. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm just gonna show y'all anyways, man. I use an oil. This right here is legendary oil. You know, I use an oil. I use a plastic bag. Let me grab it. Put this. You don't put it in your hair. This is when my hair lifted. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna do it this way. Anyways, I'm gonna put it in my hair. Just like this on the bag without even brushing it or nothing. Just to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Put it on the bag like this. Oh fuck, I did it the wrong way. This is what you don't want to do. No cap, you don't want to do it this way. This is what you don't want to do. That sign right there will be all in your hair. I did it before. This is going to come off, bro, on your hair. Don't do it this way. I'm going to turn it around, my bad. My bad. Turn it around where the logo is not at, alright? Because it's not, you want to do it where it's, this is not at, because all this logo whiteness is gonna come all on your head, bro, in your hair, and it's not gonna be a good look. So, okay, I just do a couple drops. Remind you, nothing is in my hair. So, I'm gonna show you what this do. immediately as soon as I put it in my hair. So you wanna rub it, you know, you wanna distribute it evenly on the bag like that, right? Okay. Then you wanna just apply it in your hair. And I wasn't gonna do it. I wasn't gonna just show it, like explain it to y'all, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. Even though I didn't brush with the softy or lift it, I'm just gonna do it like this. You know what I mean? That's good too when your hair is short. But if your hair is long, from a fresh cut, you use the softy. But you can do it like this too as well. I do this, both of these. That's why I just feel like doing this one, but I do both sometimes. If I wanna do it with this brush with the softy first, I'll do that first. If I wanna just, you know, use the plastic bag method with the oil, I do that. But right now, just because we filming a video and I don't feel like really brushing out to my hairline or nothing, I'm just gonna put this in my hair. Plus, I don't got no products in my hair, so I want y'all to see the instant shine and everything. All right, so that, see? Even with the plastic bag, I'm not going down to the hairline, you know what I'm saying? I don't want nothing coming down. I don't want to get irritated at all. All right, so we got that way. Yeah. And sometimes you need to put a little bit more, like me. Nowadays, bro, products eat up my hair, so I just put more, especially in the summer, bro. I use a little bit more products in the summer because it's hot, I sweat. So I just use a little bit more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of it. Oops. On the bag. See? Same way I did. Just like that. Apply it again. Remember, you see I'm not going down to the hairline? But you see that instant shine though? See that? That's that legendary oil do. I'm not even going down to my taper really. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna go just like this. Not really going to my taper. See that? So it depends on how long my hair is. Depending on how long my hair is, it would depend on, you know, if I want to use a softy brush first, then use this. I could have did that with this length of my hair because my hair isn't that short. But like I said, man, it all depends on how I feel. I didn't feel like brushing my hair right now and doing that, but I wanted to show you guys an example, just so you guys can see how far to go to the hairline and not exceed the hairline to avoid the line, to avoid irritation on your hairline. But I am going to show you guys putting this in because I just wanted y'all to see the shine on it. And you see I'm still not passing my hairline, you see? Still not. It's coming right here. All we doing is glazing the hair, bro, but we gonna do it for about, I do it normally for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just to glaze it in, man, and get it to the roots. And trust me, you know you're using a plastic bag and you're not brushing before that, you're still getting down to the roots, man. Because you doing it over and over, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't got no choice but to go to the roots. It ain't gonna stay on the top of your head, but you steadily doing it like that. That's what I do. See that instant shine though? Told you, no products in my hair though, bro, but this oil. And I'll do this after a shape up. You know? Right after a shape up. Sometimes I'll brush. Right before a shape up nowadays, I'll wash my hair. So right before, I'll just wash it and just get a shape up when my hair is real clean. But that way I don't have nothing in my hair. And when I'm getting my shape up, he's like, you know what I'm saying, what is it called, blending on the sides. You're still getting that perfect blend and you're not getting no product in there, clippers or nothing like that. You know, it's the same thing to me as getting a haircut. Even though he's not touching the top of your head, he's touching the sides, you're still touching your hair. So I like to nowadays still like have my hair clean when I'm getting a shape up too as well. I didn't used to do that before, but now I do. Things change over time, man. Your hair gonna change, your texture gonna change, your method's gonna change, everything is gonna change. So, like I said, after this, I'm gonna go over it again. The beginning, you wash your hair, wash your style. After you wash and style with the tie-dye bar, right? After you wash and style with this, you know what I'm saying? Wait for your hair extra dry and all that stuff. You can do it. You can wash the day before. You can wash it the same day, whatever. Just make sure no product in your hair. Fresh out the unrag, you get your shape up. You done with your shape up? Rag back up. For about 2 hours. Unrag, your line and stuff gonna be fresh. Your line gonna be tender. If you choose to brush, use a soft brush. Don't go past your hairline. When you brush down your hairline, you're going to get a line. Like I said, I always going to keep telling you, you're just tender, so it's going to give you a scar. You don't want to get a scar. If you choose to brush with a softie, okay? I didn't do it right now, but I wanted to show you guys again. I wanted to show you guys how far I go to the hairline if I was to use the softie. After that, or if you choose to, you're not, whatever. Use the plastic bag oil method. Legendary oil, okay? This is the oil I used. This is the oil shine you see in my hair. It's all from this, okay? Boom. I got certain methods that I do with this. You know what I mean? I know I've done, y'all saw me use it multiple times but still, this is what I do after the shape up. Okay? After that, I'm done. My hair is still laid. You see I didn't rush the rag up and any of that, but I'm about to do it right now. You throw your do-rag on, bruh. Put your do-rag on. Do-rag on. Alright gang, so I'm ragged up. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you try this method, man, after a fresh cut, after a shape up, whatever, try it. I know you guys tend to put a whole gang of product in your hair afterwards. You probably don't have your hair clean when you get the shape up before. You know what I'm saying? There's probably a lot of stuff you don't do. If you do it and it works for you, cool. Try it anyway, see if it works better than yours. Your method you normally do. You never know, it might work better or it might be worse. So just stick to what you know originally. Alright? But that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's pretty lengthy. I always try to not make it long, but hey, fuck it, I'm in school. I'm teaching, y'all in school today. You feel me? Anyways, I love you guys, man. Make sure you guys go to peopletogmerch.com, get your merch, get your hair care because it's all there. Y'all already know, man. You know what I'm saying? The softy brush right here. We got the hard. You know what I'm saying? We got the hard. We got the medium. Bro, we got brushes, man. You know what I'm saying? Collector's edition right here. Hard, medium, soft, all in one, man. Pull it out. Get done with it. Put it right back in the case. It's crazy, bro. I'm telling you, look. We're going crazy, bro. Don't sleep, man. Y'all find with the website, man. Y'all sleep. Do not sleep. Wake up, PB gang. Anyways, subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Let me know y'all here. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at People to Go Merch. Boom. And also, join post notification gang so that way you will not miss on none of the videos I drop in the future. Tomorrow, the next day. Make sure that bell is highlighted, alright? If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! Cut the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah!
Gang. Let go.